Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we can handle checkboxes using CITS. So we have an application here and we have two checkboxes and we would want to see how we can handle it using CITS. So if I load this checkbox, the default status is the first one is unchecked and the second one is checked. So we open up CITS, create a new scenario. Checkboxes. Create a new test case. I'm going to name it TC1. Start the recorder. Okay, so first we will open up the browser. Then we will say browser and give it a dynamic wait. Wait for page loaded. Okay, now we have landed on this page. Now if we click on checkbox, see the first click is recorded. Then we click on the second checkbox. The second click is recorded, picks up some weird names, but I think that's okay for us. And then that's it. I'm going to close the recorder. Now we have two objects. We are going to name the first one as checkbox 1 and rename the second one as checkbox 2. But the objective is not to just click, because clicking will not help in a situation where it is already checked and I want to click it and then it becomes unchecked. So I want a situation where I explicitly mention it to check or uncheck. And even if it is check, if I use the command check, it does nothing. And if it is unchecked, and if I use the command uncheck, it does nothing. So that also has to be certain, because if it is checked and if I use click, then it will uncheck it, and that is something that I would want to avoid on all cost. So instead of click, the simple method that you can use is check. And instead of click for the second one, the method that you can use is uncheck. That's it. So the default status of the application was the first one will be checked. So checked, and the second one, which is checked, will be unchecked. So unchecked. Okay, I'm going to add a line at the end. Pause. At the rate 1. This is just a dummy line where I'm going to put a breakpoint so that I can run it in a debug mode and we can see the execution happen step by step. Okay, so I'm going to put a breakpoint at step number 3 and let's trigger. So yeah, this is the default state. The page load is completed. We can see it in the console. The next step, you see, check. The action is check. So checkbox 1 is checked. It has been checked. And the next one is uncheck. Checkbox 2 has been unchecked. It has been unchecked. And that's it. So this is how we can very easily handle checkboxes in CITS. Hope to see you all in the next video.